Wayne, where do you want me to put the key?
Oh, just put it in the sewer, please.
The sewer? What are you talking about?
Hello, this is Wayne with Normal Prepping, and today I'm going to show you a crazy way of hiding valuables or any small item that you have outside in plain sight. For this project, you'll need to buy some basically plumbing supplies. You'll need a PVC, 4-inch PVC. I bought this, it was 24-inch, and it was actually really hard to find that size. I do fortunately have a link to all this in the description, so you don't have to run around like a chicken with your head cut off like I did to try to find everything. But I got a 24-inch piece of tubing, which I figured is about right. And then you get a cap and a connector and then a screw top. With these, first you want to put on your primer and do all that, and then you put the cap and the other end on. Then you'll have it all ready. Make sure you got it on there good. And let me go show you what I did. It's because we often hide things outside in different areas. Like we go out and we'll put like a key under here or whatever, or we'll put one on up here, and that just everybody knows where to look. And plus it's not really safe. And this method I think would be really good for even doing other things, because like as you saw in the intro, my bride used her vacuum sealer, which also is, we were all into that vacuum sealing, and we have that link for that in the description also. But it's that'll keep it dry and all that. So you can even we're thinking about putting documents in there, having copies of documents. So if our house burns down or something, insurance contact numbers, things like that. Because it's always good to have your phone numbers with you at all time for your family and friends. So we're thinking about putting all that in there, and the one I made it could be deeper, smaller. It's up to you what you decide on length. I did a 24-inch just because that's what they had for sale. So let's go and look, and we'll talk about it a little bit. You think about it, just start thinking about other ideas, and put it in the comments what ideas you have of things you think would be good to save in here. I think it'll be pretty good as far as waterproofing, but that's why we vacuum sealed it. We even vacuum sealed the key. But remember, when you vacuum seal, always put a little cut in it, so that way it's easy to open up. So say you come home late at night, you forgot your key to your house. You don't want to have to be trying to find scissors or something to get this open. This works great if you have just a little cut in it, so that way it'll just tear right open. We've done it in our other videos. We do it for our emergency kits. It works great. I'll open the gate. Drum roll, please. This is pretty good. It's okay. See the gnomey? There's our gnome. I love gnomes. Do you like gnomes? Gnomes rock. We come over here, and then we look. It's a sewer. Can you believe it? It's the sewer. It's a clean out for a sewer. So when people come here, what do they see? They see a sewer drain clean out. I'm sure this will mess up some plumbers when they go to fix a leak in your in your house. And what I did is I had to dig this hole. And they say by code it's supposed to be 45 degrees, so I tried to get as close to code as possible so it wouldn't stand out and look like it didn't belong. So I did that, and it took a lot of work. I mean, I even broke out my jackhammer and everything, my little roto hammer, just started doing this. I spent almost 2 hours, so make sure you got some time. Yeah, see, I mean, I actually had to break through some rock to get to it. We live in an area with a lot of rocks, so hopefully you don't. So let me just show you how this works. See, so this is the sewer, but this is what it looks like inside. And then I reach in. Look at that. It's the key. You can put whatever you want. Look at that. And like I say, this one goes 24 inches, but my arm reaches, so it works great. Nobody, I mean, who in the world is going to go look in your sewer drain for valuables? I mean, you could hide just about anything in here, and you can make it fairly well, watertight. I'll put it back in here. Now, if you live in the neighborhood, you know where my key is. It's right here behind the Nomi with the most. So, put some comments out there, and what do you think about it? What do you think we could use it for? Just let me know. I love my comments. They keep going. I think that they're great. I really enjoy it. Oh, and also, if you haven't seen the tube video, watch the tube video. It's another version. We're into tubes now, so definitely watch our tube video if you get a chance, and we will catch you later. Bye.